Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is Emanuel, and today, girl, we finna talk about being a Pisces, okay? You know, this special being, okay, girl. Yes, and the fact about Pisces, okay? Who better to tell you than a Pisces herself, baby? Okay, all right. Now, before we do, girl, okay, don't forget to subscribe, girl. Okay, when you finish subscribing, girl, okay, press that bell, girl. You know that ding-ling thing. Don't, oh God, don't quote me on that. Don't quote me on that. Just press the bell, okay? Just press the bell. All right, cool. So, while we get this little drawing on, okay? And you know, we gotta go hard for this blue girl, okay? Because Pisces, we're like a water sign. So, blue and water go together, girl, okay? So, number one, I might forget the numbers along the way. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. I got a lot on this here melon, okay? We are imaginative as hell. Like, we can come up with some things, girl, okay? Like, artistic to the bumble claws. So if you're with a Pisces, just know, they got a very expressive imagination, okay? And that sinks in with their artistic talents, okay? You might got a girl that can sing like crazy, or like she can play an instrument like crazy, or she can draw like crazy. Like, girl, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Like, these two coincide with each other. They just, Bonnie and Clyde. Yeah, Bonnie and Clyde, girl, okay? Number two, we psychic. Yeah, you heard me. If you're with a Pisces, right? More than ordinary, they are going to know, like, things without even knowing things. Do you get what I mean, girl? Like, I mean, okay, psychic has like a very weird, stigma with it. So I'm gonna say, like, they just know. You know what I mean? We just know that we know what we know when we know it, how we know it. We don't know how we know it, but we know what we know. You know? Okay, yeah. So a Pisces, if you are with a Pisces, more than normal, you are with somebody, for one, is an overthinker. All right, and two, empath. All right, and three, yeah, just tie all of that up into being psychic. Like, just know things, girl. Sometimes I got people asking me, like, how do you know? How do you know? Baby, I don't know how I know. I just know what I know when I know it, how I know it. I'm just, okay, baby, okay, girl. I just did my eyebrow. I done messed up my eyebrow, girl. Whatever. So, a little secret, right? If you know that you are with somebody, Pisces, and you are trying to lie to said Pisces, baby, don't do it. Don't do it, girl. Don't do it. Today we're gonna cut it in half. All right, we gonna cut it in half. One side is gonna be blue and the other side is gonna be pink. All right, and yeah, blue, pink, some white, some yellow, a little bit of red, not too much. You know what I'm saying? Black, definitely. Yeah. So get your palettes, girl. We going in with the Beauty Glaze Color Fusion palette. And blend your colors together, okay? Yeah, girl. So, if you are with somebody, okay, Pisces. If you are with a Pisces, okay, and you're thinking about lying, okay, I suggest that you don't. Don't do it, because you only gonna play yourself, player. Just saying. Just saying, girl. Just saying. If you are with a Pisces and you try to lie about something, more than naturally, they know already, the answers to whatsoever thing it is. So they just want to test you, all right? A Pisces is going to constantly test you. Like, even when they don't know that they're testing you, they're testing you. Girl, I don't know. It's just a thing. It's just a thing. Like, does a fish know that it's in water? Does it know that it's wet? No. So sometimes do we even know that we're testing people? No. But then when we, like, unconsciously, not, is that the word? When we subconsciously test you and you fail said test, later when we're thinking to ourselves, like, wait, what did he say? Or what did she say? Or what did they say? Yeah. And then you might start to feel a kind of way from that person. Like, if you know for a fact, you want to know how you fail a test from a Pisces, you feel them just becoming distant all of a sudden. Like, they just got to distance themselves from you. because something in that radar is like, yes, sis, we can't trust them. They are not to be trusted. Okay, I don't know what it is, but I think our spidey senses are tingling, girl. And something is not right, baby. Something is not right, right? So if you find yourself with a Pisces, I'm just letting you know, more than likely you're being tested. And if you are being tested, man, just be careful what you say, okay? Yeah, it's a constant test. Number 3, a Pisces is loyal to a fault. When I say loyal, I mean loyal. Like, there is nothing that we wouldn't do for you, you know what I mean? Especially if we know that you go hard for us. You know, we would go to bat for you. We would. Like, you got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. When the road is rough ahead and you're miles from your nice warm bed, just remember what your old past said. Oh, you got a friend in me. Ooh. Anyways, if you are lucky enough to befriend a Pisces, just know that you have got a friend for life, right? You have got a friend for life, and there is nothing that person wouldn't do for you, right? So it's a good thing and it's a bad thing, because if you tell your Pisces friend that you got beef with somebody, you gotta check that Pisces psyche before you tell them that you got beef with somebody and that person violates you, because you liable to have to bail that friend out. I'm just letting you know, like, we will go to the ends of the world for our friend. Like, it's a good and a bad thing, okay? Like I said, it's a good and a bad thing. For us, not always a good thing because we take things so literal sometimes. Like, you know, it's kind of hard to differentiate between good and bad, or, you know, try and, you know, dull down, you know, the lines between fake and reality. When I say fake, I mean like in our imagination, right? So you have to be very careful what you tell your Pisces friend, girl, because you might mess around and help that girl or that guy, Pisces. You might help that person catch a law, like a case. Like, you might help them catch a case. So be careful with what you tell them. I'm just saying. Alright? Most of the times, the people that we are faithful to, you know, are not faithful to us. So, you know, we end up putting ourselves in things for people that we end up sticking our necks out for people who are happy to chop our necks off, is what I should say. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm speaking to the Pisces and them that are out there. Girl, sometimes you just gotta let people, you know, if they're calling you, you gotta let that phone kind of just ring out, alright? Wait and see, you know, what they want. Like, if they message you and tell you, okay, well, it's really important, like somebody's in a hospital or whatever. But some of the times, because people know that we go so hard for them, and like we would give them the shirts off of our backs, they tend to like take advantage of that, you know what I mean? And most of the people that we're friends with, you know, are not really 100% genuine. So sometimes, girl, you gotta let your phone ring out, okay? Sometimes, you know, you gotta like not really respond to a message right away, because let's just say it like this: you gotta let things play out, okay? You gotta let situations play out on their own. Don't you know, don't try and run up on a situation that could easily, you know, sort itself out. You know what I'm saying? You understand? Alright, good. Just as long as you understand what I'm saying, baby. Okay? Alright. Number 4, we're temperamental. Like, we got these mood swings that make people think we're bipolar. It has to tie in and do with being an empath, alright? Now, if you have a Pisces friend, or you yourself are a Pisces, you can relate. Like, the moods and the vibes that you feel around you make you behave like those type of moods, right? And because we do not know how to, you know, de-stress and, you know, diffuse these feelings that we're getting from places, because we're holding on to them, right? It's kind of hard to like behave like yourself with somebody else's vibe. You know what I'm saying? There are times, like in the day, right, where I can feel like 10 different ways in one day. And when I go to sleep, I am super tired because I didn't know how to, you know, get rid of these energies that I picked up. Girl, it's a whole thing. It's a whole thing. Like, if you got a Pisces friend and they are temperamental and they got like mood swings like a mug, girl, try to understand Try to understand. It's not their fault. It's not their fault. Okay, like that's just how they built. Okay, that's just how they built. And if a Pisces has been raised up around a narcissistic person, girl, it's mayhem right there. It's mayhem. Like, it's just a recipe for disaster right there, because that narcissistic person that they were living with did not teach them how to de-escalate situations, how to woosah, how to get back to themselves. So you know, they just got like mood swings like crazy. Even guy Pisces, like they go on like if they're on their menstruals, you know what I mean? So if you got a Pisces friend, try to be a little understanding, baby. Okay, try to be a little understanding. Okay, we will resume this this program after, you know, a word from our sponsors, which might just be snacking or going in the bedroom and crying in our pillows. Girl, you never know. Okay, you never know. All right, just be understanding. Okay, all right. So, girl. So on the flip side, okay, to being temperamental, okay, we are romantic. Girl, we are hopeless romantics. Okay, like just as hard as we go for friends, if you lucky, okay, to get like a Pisces girlfriend, you can ask for her last kidney. She give you, okay? But don't piss off because she gonna come back for it. I'm just saying, I'm just saying, okay? I'm just saying, girl. I've been in love with you more than once. Shine on me like the morning sun. No, she don't think she's the only one. She can't think she's the only one. Like, people don't understand how much a Pisces loves love. Like every other sign loves love. Everybody who is really in love will love love. But we, as ones who feel the emotion deeper than any other sign, it's just, I don't know how to explain it. I don't know how to explain it for you to understand. Like, when I love, baby, we love really, really hard. Like hard, okay? And if you match the type of love that, you know, we give, ooh, girl. Ooh, girl. Girl. I'm just saying, it's going to be, don't worry about the eye. It's gonna look a little rough before it looks better. Don't judge it, man. Don't judge it, man. We coming to come. Okay? Okay. If we find somebody that can match our type of love, we finna have a baby for you. Oh no. Like we gonna wife you or something, baby. Like, you know what I mean? We gonna do something, girl. We gonna do something. Girl. Murder. If you have somebody who loves you as hard as a Pisces, right? And you try and take that love for granted, you're only gonna play yourself, okay? Because after you get this type of love and this selfless type of love, like, and you trying to go out there and trying to find that, yeah, you're not gonna find that type of love from nobody. I can promise you ain't finna find no type of love like this here. Like, you might come close, but then something deep inside of you is going to match that, you know, with the love that you got from that Pisces. And, you know, if it doesn't match up, you are going to get restless and you're going to move on to the next one. I promise you. I promise you. I promise you. That's just what it's going to be. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, baby. Yeah. Pisces love very hard. But if you do something to make us, you know, second guess your love, it's going to be incredibly hard for you to persuade us into thinking that what we just thought about what you just did or said, you know, is not what it is. Okay, so dating a Pisces and you're not being 100% truthful, that's gonna be a problem for you. Okay, I'm just saying, you know what I mean? Just don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. You're just gonna play yourself player, okay? Alright, so girl, I'm gonna finish these eyes, okay? And I'll be back, baby. I'll be back, baby. Okay? Okay, girl. So this is the final look, okay? And you gotta lick her off, but you have to do. You have to do. Okay. Now, on my final words for, you know, facts about Pisces. All right. We're imaginative. We're psychic. You know, we love really strong. Temperamental at times. You know what I mean? Now, the two last things are, we are sweet if we are treated well. But baby, make no mistake about it, okay? Just like these two sides, all right? You got that sweet side, and you got that dangerous side. So, a Pisces can war for days, baby, okay? Days goes into weeks, and weeks goes into months, and months goes into years. It's not really a good thing, you know what I mean? Because stress overall is just, you know, it's not good for the body. But, girl, when we pissed off, we don't even care about our health. Like, that's how bad it is. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Be as open as possible to the Pisces in your life, okay? If not, we finna figure out that, okay? We gonna figure that out, okay? And if we realize that you lying to us, girl, you're gonna get cut off. And it's not gonna be no gradual thing, like, we finna just cut you off. You know what I'm saying? So, don't disrespect the Pisces in your life, girl, because, yeah, you don't want this beef. Or chicken or pork, you don't want this poultry, okay? You don't want it. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that bell notification button so that you can get more videos from me, okay? All right, see you guys in the next one. Later.